welcome to my new channel. Today we are studying on chapter 3, diversity in living things and their classification. Standard 6th, subject science. Question number 1, match the pairs. Group A, amphibians. Answer is 3, a frog. B, vertebrate. Answer is a monkey. C, with scales. Answer is a snake. C, with scales. Answer is a snake. Question number 2, who is the odd one out? A, fungus, mushroom, chrysanthemum and spirogyra. The answer is chrysanthemum is the odd one out because it is a flowering plant, whereas the rest of them are non-flowering plant. B, mango, banyan, palm, chickpea. Answer is chickpea is the odd one out because it is a type of herb, whereas rest of them are types of trees. C, grapes, orange, lemon, hibiscus. Answer is grape is the odd one out because it is a climber while rest of them are shrubs. D, sunflower, banyan, jowar, bajra. Answer is banyan is odd one out because it is a perennial plants, whereas rest of them are annual plants. E, guava, radish, carrot, beetroot. Answer is guava is the odd one out because it is a perennial plant, whereas rest of them are biennial plants. F, deer, fish, man, worms. Answer is worm is odd one out because it is an invertebrate, whereas the rest of them are vertebrates. Question number 3, what is the differences? A, flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Flowering plants, they have flowers and produce seeds and foods and the fruits. They have structures like roots, stems and the leaves. Example, tulip and mango. And the non-flowering plants, they do not produce flowers, seeds and the fruits. They may or may not have structures like roots, stems and leaves. Example, ferns and mosses. Question number B, a trees and a shrub. What is the differences between trees and the shrubs? 1, trees. Plants which grow very tall and have strong hard stems or trunks are called trees. They have branches which are at some height above the ground. Mango tree, neem tree, etc. And the shrubs, plants which grow up to a medium height are called shrubs. They have branches which are very close to the ground. Example, oleander and the hibiscus. C, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are they have a backbone made up of vertebrae. They can be cold-blooded or warm-blooded. They have a well-developed brain. Invertebrates are they do not have a backbone. They are always cold-blooded. They do not have a well-developed brain. Examples of vertebrates are frog and lizard, and invertebrates example is earthworm and snail. Question number 4, true or false? A. The snail is an aquatic animal. Answer is false. B. Amphibians can live in the air and in water. Answer is false. C. The function of the brain is well developed in the vertebrate animals. Answer is true. D. The amoeba is a multicellular animal. Answer is false. Question number 5. Write two names of each. A is flowering plant. Answer is rose and lotus. B. Non-flowering plants. Answer is ferns and mosses. C. A tree. Answer is mango and neem. D. A shrub. Answer is lemon and henna. E. A creeper. Answer is money plant and cucumber. F. An annual plant. Answer is marigold and corn. G. A biennial plants. Answer is carrots and parsley. H. A perennial plant. Answer is asparagus and artichoke. Question number 6. Write the answers to the following. A. What are the parts of plants? The various parts of the plants are roots, leaves, fruits. Roots, they absorb water and mineral from the soil and also anchor the plant firmly in the soil. Stems spread out branches to the bare leaves, flowers and the fruits. Conducts water and minerals to different plants parts and perform functions to storage, support, protection and vegetative propagation. Leaf, they are called food factories of a plant. They carry out photosynthesis, a process by which they synthesize their food. Flowers, in plants, flowers is a functional unit concerned with the actual reproduction of plants. Fruits, they have different shapes and contain one or more seeds. B. What are the functions of the root? The functions of the root are as follows. They help in anchoring the plant to soil. They also help in absorption of water and nutrients from soil. C. Why is necessary to classify living things? Importance of classification. I. Classification ensures uniformity. All life forms can be studied on a common platform. Second number, classification ensures the study of interrelationship between various groups. Third number, it helps us to study many organisms at the same time. Number C. D. What are the criteria used to classify things, living things? Answer is organisms can be classified on the basis of similarities and differences in the structure, their organs and other characteristics. D. E. Tell some characteristic of creepers. Answer is plants which cannot stand upright and spread on the ground are called creepers. They show characteristic like their stems is very flexible, soft and green. It's grow rapidly with the help of a support. F. Explain the characteristic of herbs with two examples. Answer is herbs have the following characteristic. They grow up to the size 1 या 1.5 meters. They have green and flexible stems. They can live up to few months or up to 2 years. Examples of herbs include tulsi, parsley, mint, etc. G. Plants and animals are classified on the basis of the different characteristics. Plants G. On the basis of which criteria will you classify plants and animals? Answer is plants and animals are classified on the basis of different characteristics. Plants are classified on the basis of height, shape of stems, period of life cycle, habitat. Animals are classified on the basis of cell structure, vertebral column, method of reproduction, and the habitat. H. What protects the bodies of animal? There are different mechanisms by which animals protect themselves from danger such as their predators. Some organisms are covered by hard shells to protect themselves. For example, garden snail, tortoise, etc. have a hard shell which they use to hide themselves under danger conditions. Starfish and the porcupines have spines on their surface which they can use against their enemies. Organisms like chameleon and frogs can change their colors according to the surrounding environment. It is called as camouflaging. This is very important line. It is known as camouflaging. Animals which are found in very cold regions have a thick layer of fat under the skin and then thick fur to protect them from extreme cold. Question number 7. Draw figure. Draw the figure of a plant to show the parts, namely the root, stem, and leaves in it. So here are given the diagram, and here is the stem, here is the roots. The given in the picture, here is a leaf, here is a fruit, and here is a flower. You seen in this picture there are all figures of the plant's part. Thank you.